If you want to insert a SIM card into your iPhone 16e, so first of all, grab your iPhone 16e. Now on the left side, we have to locate our SIM tray. There it is, it's closer to the bottom. Now grab your SIM ejecting tool. It comes in a complete with the box. However, if you lost it or you don't have it for some reason, you shall find an object which is thin enough to fit into this hole, like a straightened paper clip or basically any thin line. So now, grab your SIM ejecting tool or any other object and insert it into this hole and gently push it. Now let's take out our SIM tray. Great, so here we can inspect it, right? Just a simple SIM tray. Now locate the right position for your SIM card. It's quite obvious to detect it. Make sure that the contacts are facing up. Now let's grab our phone and gently insert our SIM tray. Make sure that this hole matches with the hole on your phone body. And as you see, our phone has already detected our SIM card. Now we have our FaceTime request and so on and so forth. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.